Ever wondered who poked you on Facebook? Yes, pokes are still around and you can check them. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find your poke history. Whether you're curious or want to poke back, it only takes a few taps. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app, tap the search icon at the top, type pokes, and tap search. At the top, you'll see poke your friends and see who poke you. Tap it. On the next screen, you'll see a list of people who poke you right at the top. Tap poke back if you want or scroll to poke others from your friends list. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find pokes on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.